kakarating ko lang ng bazaar, which is the compound where CBC is. CBC aka Cainta Badminton Court. So, ayan. What time is it? Oh my god. I think I came early. It's 12:43 p.m. Ang early ko. Kada training ang aga ko, guys. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. Alang init. Mainit pero maganda yung lighting. So like cancels out. I don't know. So yun, training namin is 1 to 5 p.m. as always. Pag afternoon training. Yesterday I had training. You guys saw that. Tomorrow, I don't know. Am I gonna train? Kasi hindi ko sure. Ang dami ko ding tatapusin works for midterms. Not done yet, guys. It's still the exam week, guys. Nag-exam kami, tapos nagta-training din. Dedication. See you in the court. Nakakauna-una. And then I get the privilege to choose a table, guys. Where? Ito na nga. Yes. Ay, wala na sila. Sure. Yan. Sobrang tibay ng bag. Okay. Cut you off, I don't need your love. You can try all you want. Your time is up, I'll tell you why. You try to get to me, see me begging on your knees. Boy, I don't care what's wrong. One day you wake up and find out you're missing me, and your heart starts to wonder. I don't know lyrics. When you see me waiting for you in the corner of the street, I'm not moving. I'm not moving. Yeah.
Loh, pinutok. Ganun yan?
Sipag. Akin din.
Ay?
Sipag.
Ayan yan. Dati.
Akin.
Ano punta mo?
Oh!
Hindi na Samsung ah.
Eh! 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 Kayo, baka pag-burpin kayo dyan. Ito idol ko. Yan. Yan idol ko, be.
Oy, yes.
Hi everybody! Ito. Paano ba to? Okay. Dessert tayo ngayon. Ay, ang galing pala to. Yonex, sponsor me please. Yonex, sponsor me please. Guys, pakitaan kita ng push-up na malupit. Ito ang push-up, guys. Ayan o. Kamay, paa. Uy! Baba. Right. Right. much for watching. Yay! Yay! Wala na ito. Kasama ko po ngayon pauwi. Oh. Bye-bye court.
Happy birthday!
Wish mo na.
Oh.
How old are you? Ayos! Thank you!
Oh.
Alam na tulong! Ayos! Ano na gagawin ko?
Wala. Pakain ka na. Okay.
Where's Daddy? Nahanap ko. You. Record na. Stripper.
Ako na sa kanin. Ako na din ang chopsuey. Ano, ayaw nyo?
Oh, sige. Ano tayo?
Hindi ako na sa kanin.
Ako na sa kanin. Hindi ka mapwede magluto sa inyo eh. Mahal ba? Bakit po mapapamahal ka na?
Kailan yan bukas?
Pero yung bago na yun na ano?
Sabi sa hurricane, iba yung dictionary namin. Ano? Cucumber din.